Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are enjoying your Friday. Today is Friday. I am so excited. I am excited to just be off work. It's Cinco de Mayo weekend, so some of you might be celebrating on that. Some of you might have some events this weekend. If you're a creator, I hope you do well. Wish you many blessings on that. I am here with a Temu napkin haul. I have a wad of napkins that I want to show you guys. You know that I've been doing some decoupage on wood beads. I've also been doing some decoupage on some wood boxes, and who knows what else I'll be using these napkins for. I did go a little overboard. This is a pretty hefty napkin haul. And I just happened to be in the mode of just ordering napkins on the day that I did this, because the very next day or two, I did another order. So this is part one of my napkin haul from Temu. So with all that said, let me go ahead and get started. But before I do, I want to say thank you to all of the subscribers. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the community. I'm so happy you're here. All of you who've been here for a while, you know how we roll. I'm excited to have each and every one of you. I love watching your videos and seeing your comments, and please keep them coming. If you're not part of the Facebook group, the link is below. Join us. We'd love to have you. All right, here we go, guys. This is quite a few napkins, and here we go. So the first one is this one, and it is let me see, most of these are going to be 20 napkins to a package. I think it's not going to say it because Temu never does, but here's the napkin. And when I ordered the napkins, I try to make sure I get the ones that have all 4 panels, right? It just makes for more I think bang for the buck. And of course, you guys know, if you're a decoupage, if you've done anything, you're going to want to get that white backing off. So here's napkin number 1, and this is what the package looks like. I'm going to try to have a link to Temu below. It may be an affiliate link. I'm not sure. I'm going to try really hard to have the links for you, but if it's not, please forgive me, because they may or may not be available anymore. All right, so that's one. Let's see. Where am I going to put this? I've got so much stuff out here. The next one is a set of heart napkins, and this is what they look like. And you know what? I think I might have gotten these just because they were really inexpensive. I might have got these for like 98 cents. And it should be about 20. It's either 16 or 20 napkins in here. And again, 4 panels. I try to make sure. So there's that one. The very next one, look at this one. OMG. So here's what it looks like in the package. And then there's what it looks like all spread out. Beautiful, beautiful. I like the fact that when I open it up, it's all one big picture as opposed to a repetition of the same image. So that I like. That leaves room for more opportunity, larger surface space for me to use it. So I'm really loving that. If I wanted a full image, I could use that whole napkin. Now here's one that I thought was pretty darn unique. It's a basketball, obviously, and I'm not sure how I'm going to use this one yet, but this one's from edge to edge, all full napkin. Love it, love it, love it. But you can tell that each individual image is on each quarter, so it will not connect unless, I don't know, figure something out. But there's that. And that's a nice deep orange. Here's one that I really love. Here's what I mean when I say the 4 different panels. So it's upside down on this one and not on that one. So there's that beautiful lavender. I don't know what kind of flower this is. It doesn't say, does it? Garden rose, it says. Botanical flower, I don't know. But I love this. This is beautiful. And that's what it looks like. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And this one had an owl and a, let me see, fox and a squirrel and a mushroom. And that's what it looks like. That's how big this is. I love this. So that's all the way edge to edge. Love that. Nice colors. Not sure how I'm going to use that. And you guys know, it takes me a while. When I get my hauls and I try to, especially when I have a lot, I don't know when I'm going to use these. When you're going to see these again. But here's the watermelon one. And it's got 4 different sets of watermelon, which, you know, nice bright green. I love the colors. You can easily rip them apart and decoupage them some kind of way. Love it. And I was trying really hard to make sure that I got a variety of colors because, you know, these could also, I mean, y'all know I have a laser and I can put this on wood, and, you know, there's so many ways you can use these. And this right here is giving you the true color of that pink. It doesn't look true. It's a little more pink. It's more pink than it looks here. So I don't know how to show that to you. I don't know if that's it, but it's more pink than it looks in the camera. And that's pretty. That's more of a salmon color. So you gotta see it in person to really see that color. Here's another one. Absolutely gorgeous. And I wasn't too sure about getting all flowers, but you know, you get what you get, right? Look at that. That's beautiful. I love that. I love that. All right, and here's one that didn't have the 4 panels. It's a I think it's a St. Patrick's Day or an Irish St. Patrick's Day napkin, and it has the gold on there. And it only has it on the one, which I think is a bummer. I really would have wished it could have had it on the whole 4, all 4 of them, but you know, and I think it might be 10 in here. This is the smallest package that I got, but I wanted that gold foil. So, got that. Now this one, absolutely amazing. Look at that one. I love this one. That red is so fire. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful deep dark red, and it's just really, it's kind of like deep dark and bright at the same time. Bright red. I love this. Okay, beautiful red roses. And this one, not nice sea, looks like, reminds me of SeaWorld. Disney SeaWorld, but it's not necessarily. Beautiful bright blue. Look at all those colors down there. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Beautiful, large space. Love that. I can't wait to use some of these. Cannot wait to use some of these. And then here's a nice black background. flashes of color. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. I got a nice wide variety of napkins or colors and differences and stuff like that. It's been a while since I've done a haul, aka spent some money. But I really wanted to get a wide variety because I have so many things that I'm getting ready to start working on that are not necessarily jewelry. And these just, they fit the bill. This is a nice light blue, royal blue. Love it, love it, love it. Some more flowers. The next few are gonna be some really nice flowers that I thought were very unique. Just the color combinations. So there's the napkins. And look at that. I love that. This is more of a green teal, which is beautiful, in a kind of a light salmon pink color. Very nice. More beautiful roses, not roses, flowers. I don't know what kind of flowers these are. Plus we got a butterfly. Love that butterfly. If you know what kind of flowers these are, put it in the comments and let me know. I don't know what they are. You got this kind and this one. You got a bunch of flowers. Love it. Oh, beautiful. And it almost looks like handwriting back here, if you can see that. Nice. Love it. All right, guys, I'm trying to tell you a few more. Look at this one. These colors, absolutely gorgeous. Love them. There's that. Beautiful. And anybody that's loving the deco, y'all love the decoupage. This is my Temu haul. Here's a unique one that I got that I am really loving. It's like a barn yard, a barn image. And on here, it connects, it looks like, almost looks like it connects right here. But I don't think it really does. But if you're looking at it far away, it actually does look like it's connecting. But depends on what you're using it for. And this is a nice brown tone on here. Love it. And here's another brown tone, and then I have one more right after this. This is beautiful. It almost looks like a placemat. One of those, I don't know, what do you call it? Not straw, but jute placemat. That's beautiful. I love it. And here's one that I'm a little kind of disappointed. Teeny weeny napkins. I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger, but there's that. It's a little teeny weeny, and I'm gonna pull this out because you do get a lot if you're looking for number of images. You do get quite a bit on here, but I was like, wow, that's tiny. But I know already immediately after seeing it, I'm going to do something with that that is going to be amazing. So there's that napkin. So I don't know how many that was, maybe 20 different napkins, maybe. I have no idea. But I'm excited to work with all of them, and at some point on this channel you will see them. So I just want to say thank you guys for being a part of the family. And I will be back on Saturday at 4 p.m. for our create along. I haven't decided what it's going to be. If you think there's something, if I get enough responses or enough comments, and multiple times something shows up, then I can do that. But we shall see what happens on the day of, because right now I don't have anything in mind. But see you Saturday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on YouTube. And in the meantime, go create something amazing. I'll see you soon. Bye.